Hey folks, this is Tank Girl at Mobile Congress 2018, and this here is the Asus ZenFone 5. Yes, it is the first phone with a notch that is not an iPhone. Although that is probably a tie with the Noah N10. But anyway, the Noah N10 isn't out yet, so here you go, notch central. Strangely, there is a bit of bezel at the bottom, which I'm not quite sure why. But anyway, 6.2 inches 1080p is what you're getting here. As you can see, it's a beautiful panel. Very nice, very nice. And you've got an 8 megapixel camera hidden in that little notch at the top. And in the back, you've got dual camera system, 8 megapixels and 12 megapixels. LED flash, fingerprint reader, lots of shiny glass with shiny patterns, as you can see here, and the Asus logo. And yeah, as you can see, pre-production sample. So let's see. On the right hand side, you've got the usual suspects, which is power button and volume rocker. Nothing really until you get to the bottom, where you have the USB Type-C and headphone jack and speaker. Now, they made a big fuss about the quality of this speaker, but I haven't heard it myself yet, so I can't really tell. On the left, you've got the SIM slot, and that's pretty much it. And then on top, a secondary microphone, maybe some antenna bands, and that's about it. So that's it. What are you going to say about the guts of it? It's got Snapdragon 636 in there with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, 3300 milliamp hour battery. So it's a mid-ranger, but it's a pretty sexy looking phone. So that's what we've got from Asus. There's also another phone that I'm going to have a look at in a second and maybe do a video. So stay tuned for that, and please subscribe, like the video, and check out my podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. Cheers, folks.